In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your WhatsApp and there hit on Settings. Next, go into Chats and there go into Chat Backup. Now, here, hit on end-to-end encrypted backup. WhatsApp provides end-to-end encryption for all your send and receive messages, so no one can be able to see that messages except you and the recipient. And now you can hit turn on to enable end-to-end encrypted backup. I hit turn on and now I need to create a password. You have to remember that password because if you lost it, you wouldn't be able to restore your end-to-end encrypted backup. Now I hit on create password and there I can use at least 6 digits and 1 letter. Next, then I have to retype the password. And there, in order to create end-to-end encrypted backup, all I have to do is hit on create. And now I have to wait for some time until backing up process is being prepared. And after preparing, backup starts uploading automatically. Also, there you can set the schedule of after backup. Now it's set to weekly, you can change it to daily, monthly, or even you can turn it off. That's all about how to turn on end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.